If you need to secure a mortgage, you probably know that you need an appraisal, but don't go out and order it, please. Now the lending industry has evolved, and typically appraisals are ordered through third-party solutions, companies called Solidify, NAS, and there's a few smaller ones. So if you go out and just order your own appraisal and then bring it to your bank, there's a good chance they're not going to use it or recognize it, and they're going to require a new one. The best thing you can do is get in touch with whoever's going to be doing your lending, whether it's a mortgage broker or a bank, and then you can discuss the appraisal, when it'll be ordered, how it'll be ordered, who's going to pay for it, and that is the best way forward. It's nothing more heartbreaking than a client calls me, they're very enthusiastic, they've done their own research, and they just spent $800 on an appraisal. And they're excited because they got it in their hands and it looks great. And maybe a private lender is going to take it. But other than that, generally speaking, no major banks, credit unions, monolines, or even B lenders will accept an appraisal ordered by you, the owner, through just some appraisal company. They like what are called double blind appraisals now, where it's ordered through intermediary, say a company called Solidify. They then assign an appraiser off an approved list for that lender. And often the appraiser does not know the value of the property you're looking for, what the purchase price is, what the value is needed for the refinance. This is designed to create more honesty and integrity in the system, but it can also lead to values coming in low. So there's a couple tricks I'll share with you to try to get a better value. And one of those is, no matter how they structure it, the appraiser needs to contact the owner of the property for access, unless they do what's called a drive-by appraisal. When they contact for access to the property, perfect. You know when the appraiser is coming out. One of the best tricks is just be there, open the door, and in the first 5 minutes, be friendly, say hello, casually mention what the value that you're hoping for is or what the bank thinks it is. And that can start the dominoes to fall, where now the appraiser knows what they're working for and they can figure out if they can justify it. So just a little trick you can do as a homeowner or as a buyer or an investor to nudge things to get a fair value that reflects what you need.